It's early March, and the good weather has continued. It's now dry enough for Angus to roll the wheat, which followed last year's sugar beet. The MB-Trac 1100, fitted with its Goodyear Terra-Tires, is ideal for the job and sounds great as usual. Winter frosts have broken down the clods left behind from drilling, which are now crushed and firmed by the rolls.
Okay, here we are, March the 9th I believe today. Finally the land has dried up enough so we can get out with the rolls. Here we are using Jonathan's MB-Trac 1100 with freshly painted wheels for this season, and the Opico He-Va 12.2 metre rolls. I think they're doing a really good job today, but unfortunately rain is due tonight, so I want to get this done this afternoon if possible. I'd just like to say big thanks to my neighbour James Forrest for getting my beet out in good time and in good condition so that we could get on and get the wheat in the ground. I'm quite pleased with the wheat that we put in, which was Graham, and the herbicide seems to have done a good job as well this last autumn winter time when we sprayed it back in December I believe. Seems to have made got a good clean crop from it.